TikTok, how to change name. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can change name on TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to change your name on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the TikTok application here. Once you've done that, make sure to tap the profile icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap on that icon, make sure to tap the three lines option located from the top right hand side of the screen here, and you'll find the option here, settings and privacy. Now unfortunately, I'm very sorry, now once you come to your profile page, you want to make sure to tap the edit profile option here, and here you can see name and username. So to change the name, you can tap the name option, make sure to enter the new name that you would like to use here, and make sure to just tap the save option from the bottom right, from the top right, and you should be able to change the name. If you want to change the username, you can come to the username tab, enter the new username, and then just type them out. This way you should be able to change both your name and username on TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.